Tajmotormedics. I've got a Mercedes GLA here on a 2014 plate. I've just done a service on this MOT rear coil spring and an inside rear tyre on this one. I'm going to show you how to reset the service light. Now, I've done a video on the Mercedes E-Class as well, pretty much similar age, 2015. It's got exactly the same steering wheel, so it's exactly the same procedure. I'm going to show you what I'm going to reset first. So if you come in, and what I do, if you look right in there, so if I switch the ignition on, now you can see service A is due. That's what we're going to reset. Now the buttons you're going to be using is the call and OK button, and the rest does it for you. So if I switch the ignition off right here, and then I put it into key position 1, so that's key out, key in, key position 1. Once I get it to key position 1, make sure the speed is displayed, the mileage is displayed, and the trip is displayed. And then you press the call button right here and OK button. So what you got to do, you got to press the call first and then OK immediately. Wait a few seconds. Now you can see the information's right there. Now if you wanted to replace the rear brake pads, for instance, you can do that as well from here. To release the electric handbrake, you can do that. Basically, first what you got to do is release the handbrake, and then come to the settings, and then you can just replace the brake pad as normal. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go down to Assist Plus. So if I go down to Assist Plus right here, press OK. So I'm using basically the arrow buttons on the left hand side of the steering wheel. So I went down onto Assist Plus, press OK. Now you can see the service data, full service. So we go on to that. We go on to confirm. Now the oil I've used is a 229.31, which is the right grade. So I will reset this, press yes. Now this can't be undone. Press OK. Confirm. So I think it's already done. I'm just going to go back just to make sure it was done. So go back, switch the ignition on, start the car up, and then I'll press left, and then you can see the trip information's right there. So I need to go on to service. So if I go on to Assist Plus, now you can see it's already done. Service B5 in 365 days, but it didn't show me there that it was done. That's all it was on this particular model. It is a Mercedes GLA on a 2014 plate. Now if there is anything else you need on Mercedes, whether it's an A-Class, B-Class, C-Class, E-Class or a G-Class, we've got videos on tire pressure resets, bulbs, as well as service resets as well. Do check it out, do check the playlist out for that, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.